name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. As with always, all my videos will have the recipe in the description. Today I will be making a 4th of July barbecue sauce. You can adapt it for sugar-free and salt-free diets as needed. What you will need is salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, minced onion, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, lemon juice, and if you like it spicy, cayenne pepper. On to the recipe. The first thing I'm going to add is the ketchup. The measurements will be in the description. I want to make sure I get out all the ketchup. One thing you can do if you want to take an additional step is get yourself a real onion and garlic and brown it in butter before you do this step. You would have to saute it until it's soft. But I figured a lot of people might not like a strong onion and garlic flavor to it, so I added garlic powder instead. I just don't want to waste the ketchup. Lemon juice going in now. And you can always add more to it than I did, or less. Whatever you prefer. This would be Worcestershire sauce. I always have a hard time pronouncing that. Then the spices and brown sugar going in. Come on. I had pre-measured my spices overnight. That's the reason why it did that. Now, we're going to mix everything up and turn it on low. And you're going to simmer it for 15 minutes. Make sure it's mixed in really good. Can't waste your Worcestershire sauce. And do it over medium heat. If you want more garlic powder in it, add more garlic powder. Now that it's thoroughly mixed, all we got to do is wait for it to finish. You have to simmer it for 15 minutes. That way everything gets incorporated. Bring it to simmer and put the lid on it. That way you don't have to clean your stove. Make sure to stir it to prevent it from sticking to the bottom, because you don't want it to burn. This is what it looks like when it's done. After it cools, I'll put it in the fridge. I'll find something to cook on a grill to use it up. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, at least give me a like so I can get in the algorithms. Leave comments in the comment section below. Let me know what recipes you actually did try of mine and whether you liked them. I like getting feedback. That way I know what you guys like and don't like. If you'd like to request a video, if I can do it, put it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.